Akira, the fearless warrior, stood tall on the battlefield, her armor scarred from countless victories. With a swift swing of her sword, she defeated her final enemy, the dark sorcerer Molokai. As the darkness dissipated, the people cheered, hailing Akira as their savior. With a humble bow, she accepted their gratitude, her legend etched in history forever. For Akira, there was no greater honor than protecting her people, and she would continue to fight for peace and justice always.
Good day everyone, this is Miyu, one of the head admin of Peace and Order Committee and also your maingay na member ng Galan Fam. Seryoso. I want to greet our family a happy 3rd monthsary and ayun, malayo pa pero malayo na, and ito ay parang this is just a beginning at marami pang mangyayari. And ayun, I hope na maging malakas at matatag pa tayo sa bawat buwan at taon na magdadaan sa ating pamilya. And also, I want to take this moment to thank each of you for being such an important part of my life. Each shared moment, whether big or small, has added depth to my life. I am deeply grateful for the bond we share, and I cherish every moment and memory we created together. So ayun, I want to say na, alam nyo ba na ang pamilyang nagkakaisa ay laging matatag at puno ng pagmamahal. At yung bawat sandali natin bilang isang pamilya ay isang pagkakataon para magsama-sama, mag-enjoy, at syempre, mas mapalakas pa natin ang ating samahan. At dahil dito, mas nangingibabaw ang saya at pagkakaintindihan natin sa isa't isa.
Good day everyone, I'm Ogie from Internal Committee. My recruiting journey showed me that your strategies are vital and interesting. I would love to offer my responsive approach as an internal committee admin to develop a plan to help our family to grow. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Hindi kinagagalak po kayo maginala. Hoping po na matagal ang samahan natin dito at manatiling magmamahalan, may respeto, ay pagkakayos ang bawat isa sa atin. Happy Mansari po.
Hi everyone, Admin Makais here. Isang buwan naman nakalalipas ng puno ng tawanan, pagmamahalan, at masasayang alaala. Gusto ko sanang batiin kayong lahat ng happy 3rd monthsary Galan family at naway mas tumagal at tumatag ang ating pagsasamahan bilang isang Galan family. Ika nga sa isang quotes na nabasa ko is, unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved. Kumbaga, hindi lang nakasaalang-alang sa isang tao, 2 tao, 3 tao ang pag-unlad o pagpatibay sa isang pagsasamahan, kundi yung pagkakaisa natin, pagrespeto sa bawat isa. Alam kong malayo at mas marami pa tayong maaabot. Once again, happy 3rd monthsary, happy, enjoy the night.
Hi Galan family. So Patrick is here. So just want to say happy 3rd monthsary guys. So yung 3 pa na tayo magkakasama na kung makasiyahan, pagkikitan, kahit minsan parehas tayong isa sa isa. So I just want to say, I know this family does not to be perfect. Just need to be unity is the bond that brings together. It's not of blood at all, love, loyalty, and respect for unity and joy to each other. And I know marami pa tayo mga pagsubok na darating sa buhay natin. So, enjoy lang tayo guys. And saya ako dahil dyan. So, I hope you enjoy tonight.
Hi! Happy third Mansari Gallant family, and I hope you enjoy the night because tonight is our third Mansari as a Gallant family. Okay, so my message for our family is I hope we are stay strong and hold together as one. No, ano po natin, sa buhay po natin ang unity ng family. No? So I hope everyone will stay strong whatever struggles or kahit na ano po na pagsubok na dumating sa ating pamilya ay hindi po tayo susubok. Sabi nga nila ay susuka pero hindi susuko, no? Kung may problema po tayo, nandito lang po kami, ang ating leader, ang ating deputy at kami mga admins upang tugunan kung ano man po ang ating mga problema. Kung kaya po namin solusyonan, ay gagawan po natin ng solusyon. Wag lang po sa pera, char. So, alam niyo na yan. Then, everyone, I hope you enjoy the night. Again, happy third Mansari Gallant family. I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hi guys, this is your Deputy Mayor. Always remember that life is a continuous battle. It doesn't matter how many times you won or lost. What matters is your thought. Kaya siguro sinabi nila na life or experience is the toughest and the hardest teacher because it gives you the test first before it teaches you the lesson. It is true naman kasi guys na real life or real world sucks. And it's tiring naman kasi. But it's okay guys ha. It is okay and it's healthy guys. It's okay not to be okay sometimes. Just don't let it win. Just solve it as fast as you can. Kaya sa virtual world, may virtual family, the Ganyan family. Hopefully, you can maintain the peacefulness and the happy lang, walang ending guys. Because guys, I believe the true strength of the family lies in its unity in difficult times. I love you guys. Happy Motmot. Adios. Bye-bye.
Happy third Mansari Gallant fam. It's been 3 months and it's very vivid how we started this family last January. Who would have thought na ma-reach natin tong Mansari na ito on our 3rd month and we're still binded together by unity. And as we celebrate this 3rd Mansari with our theme holds together as one, I want all of you to continue what we have started already and even grow more in the next months. And always remember lang na I, as your leader in this family, will do my best to create better community, to create camaraderie, and strengthen the band that we have right now. And with the help of the admins, the deputy, and all of you guys, I know that we can reach more heights. Just stay connected, keep the communication open, and always remember that unity, maybe it's a simple term that sometimes na ginagamit natin in our everyday life, but it has a deeper meaning that once we ingest it in our hearts and our actions, or in every words that we do inside our classroom, we will reach greater heights, we will reach new mountains as we go along and grow along. So hopefully, I want to know you more, and we're always open here. I'm your leader, but I'm always open naman if you need anyone to talk to. And ayun, enjoy this day, this Mansari, and the celebration will keep going up to the next month. So for gold badge na ba tayo? Okay, so congratulations again and happy Mansari.
Hello, Gallant family. As your leader in this virtual world, I am honored to celebrate this special day with all of you. Every month, we were able to grow stronger and closer as a family. Imagine we were now on our 3rd month in this virtual world. And now, we're here to share and recognize that bond that we were able to form. Again, happy Mansari Gallant family.
Hey everyone, it's your Deputy Nair. It's been an amazing journey together, and I couldn't be prouder to be with you all. Our unity and dedication make us unstoppable. Happy Mansari Gallant.
Happy Mansuri Gallant family. It's been a pleasure watching us grow together, supporting one another through thick and thin. Let's keep this internal committee going. Love, teacher says.
Hi everyone, I'm Admin Macod. Cheers to another fantastic month, Gallant family. Every day with you all is a reminder of what true teamwork and friendship look like. Happy Mansuri from Peace and Order Community.
Hi! Happy Mansuri Galang family. Our strengths lies in our community, and I'm grateful to each of everyone. You, let's continue to achieve the greatest we can. From Creative Community Butterfly.
To Galant family, happy Mansuri. We accomplished so much together in this only the beginning. Let's stick together as a family from the internal committee of Admin.
Happy Mansuri Galang family. It's been a privilege to be part of this incredible journey with you all. More success and happiness in these months to come. This is your admin, Miyu.
Thank you everyone to our executive committee for your heartfelt words to our family. Together we are the Galang family, guys, and together we will continue to reach new heights. Let's make this month the best one yet and create better months to come. Again, Galang family.
Happy third
Happy third Mansuri
Galant
Galang family.
family.